Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is easy and tasty Pudina Pulav. To make it, add oil and ghee in a pressure cooker and heat it. Add spices, bay leaf, jeera, dalchini, ilaichi, long, star anise and roast them well. In a mixer jar, add clean pudina leaves, ginger garlic paste, salt and make it into a smooth mixture. Add pudina mixture to the roasted spices and fry them well. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Add tomato puree to the pudina mixture and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. Add soaked rice and mix it well. Add required amount of water and pressure cook it for 2 to 3 whistles. That's it, easy and tasty Pudina Pulav is ready to eat. I hope you liked watching this video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching.